Hey friends, welcome back. It's me, Michelle. Today I want to talk to you guys about how to fill up gas at a gas station, especially when you see a sign like this. Sorry for the inconvenience. Pay at the pump is not available at the moment. Please pay inside. Sorry for the inconvenience. Pay at the pump is not available at the moment. Please pay inside. So when you see a sign like this means that you'll have to go inside the convenience store and tell the cashier which pump you'd like to pay for, and with cash or card. So let's get started. So first, let's listen to the conversation.
Sorry.
Hi.
Hi. Good, thank you. I just wanted to pay at number 2. Yeah.
How much is it? 20?
Just as much as 20 would. Yeah.
Do you have petrol points?
No, I don't.
Do you want to receipt?
Yes, please. Okay, good. Thank you.
Sorry.
No problem. Now let's break it down.
Sorry.
Hi.
Hi. Good, thank you. I just wanted to pay at number 2. Yeah.
How much is it?
20? Just as much as 20 would. Yeah.
Do you have petrol points?
No, I don't. The cashier said, "Hi, how are you?" So how are you is a very common saying. You can say it when you meet someone for the first time or just whenever you see someone. It's a very common conversation starter, no matter if you're talking to strangers or people you know. And I replied, "Good, thank you. I just wanted to pay at number 2. So at gas stations, the pumps are labeled. In this example, you can see that we're at pump number 11. But when I was filming this video, my car was actually parked at pump number 2. Then the cashier said, "How much would you like to fill?" So here she's asking me how much money I'd like to pay. And I replied, "Just as much as $20 would fill." "Do you have any petrol points?" And I replied, "No, I don't."
Do you want to receipt?
Yes, please. Okay, good. Thank you.
Sorry.
No problem. "Do you want your receipt?" And then I said, "Yes, please." And then we both said, "Thank you." So now let's look at some related sentences and vocabulary. So to fill up your car's fuel tank, first you have to unscrew the gas cap. Fuel tank, fuel tank, fuel tank. Or gas tank, gas tank, gas tank. Unscrew, unscrew, unscrew. Fuel cap, fuel cap, fuel cap. Or gas cap, gas cap, gas cap. Then you get the gas nozzle, which is connected to the gas pump, and you put it in your fuel tank. Gas nozzle, gas nozzle, gas nozzle. Gas pump, gas pump, gas pump. I'm just gonna go with regular clean gasoline. Gasoline, gasoline, gasoline. Or you can say gas, gas, gas. Then I'm gonna lock the clip while I fill up the tank. Gas nozzle locking clip. But that's too long to say, so we usually just say clip, clip, clip. So here it should go until $20 because I already paid inside. Now you can see that they've put $20 of gas in my car, which is around 14 liters of gas. So once you're done, you put the nozzle back in its holder, you screw the gas cap back on, and you close the fuel door. Fuel door, fuel door, fuel door. Or you can say gas door, gas door, gas door. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.